everyone, once again welcome to my classes. Okay, so I hope so you all are fine studying well at home. Now we have completed chapter 3 of our English literature. The explanation part is all complete. Now in the previous lecture we had finished one question of the exercise that is given on page number 20. So I just want you to open this book of yours, English Treasure. Open page number 20 of the same book, and there you will find the exercise of chapter number 3 given there. So the question number A is done. Question number B, today we will do it. Okay, so the question number B is fill in the blanks. Okay, so just please open your book, sharpen your pencils, put your pencil in one hand, eraser in the other hand. Okay, and let's do the exercise. So the first question of the fill in the blanks, the first sentence of the fill in the blanks is, every morning Jack carried the milk to the dash to sell. हर मॉर्निंग जैक क्या मिल्क लेकर जाता था, कहाँ पर, वो हमें फिल करना है यहाँ पे, बेचने के लिए कहाँ लेकर जाता था. ओके, एवरी मॉर्निंग जैक कैरिड द मिल्क टू द डैश. नाउ वेयर डिड ही गो एवरी डे? यू हैव टू फिल अप that word. So every morning Jack carried the milk to the market to sell, obviously, right? So let's write here market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Okay, then sentence number 2 is, the old man gave bean dash to Jack for his cow. Old man gave bean, old man ने bean क्या दी, बीन के क्या दिए. ओके, प्लांट्स दिए, सीड्स दिए और व्हाटएवर जो भी दिए वो हमें फिल करना है. टू जैक, किसे दिए? जैक को. फॉर हिज काउ, उसकी काउ के बदले में. ओके, सो द ओल्ड मैन गेव बीन डैश टू जैक फॉर हिज काउ. नाउ व्हाट? बीन सीड्स. ओके, S-E-E-D-S, बीन सीड्स. ठीक है. देन जैक jumped on the dash and climbed it to reach the sky. जैक ने किस पर जंप किया और किस पर चढ़ गया स्काई तक पहुंचने के लिए? जैक jumped on the dash and climbed it to reach the sky. What was that thing? This was the thing. Okay, what is this? A beanstalk. Okay, this is the thing on which Jack jumped and then climbed up to reach the sky. यही वो चीज है जिस पर जैक ने जंप मारा था और वो इसी के सहारे स्काई तक पहुंचा था चढ़कर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस थिंग? इट इज अ बीन स्टॉक. राइट इट डाउन, B-E-A-N-B-S-T-A-L-K, बीन स्टॉक. ओके, नंबर 4, द जायंट्स वाइफ गेव जैक डैश एंड डैश फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. जायंट की वाइफ ने जैक को ये और ये दिया था ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. व्हाट? डैश एंड डैश व्हाट? व्हाट डिड जायंट्स वाइफ गिव टू जैक फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट? सैंडविचेस? नो. मिल्क? यस, मिल्क शी हैज गिवन. along with milk, what did she give Jack? She has given milk along with cheese. Okay, so the giant's wife gave Jack milk and cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese for breakfast. Okay, let me write it first, then I'll give you time to write. पहले मुझे लिखने दो, then I will give you the time to write. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to write this. When the giant said lay, the hen laid a dash egg. When the giant said lay, जैसे ही giant ने कहा lay, hen ने कौन सा egg दिया? Which type of egg? Okay, bronze egg, no. Silver egg, no. Normal egg, no. Which type of egg it was? It was a golden egg. So write it down here, golden. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden. Okay, so just please write it down in your book. Fill it up fast, then we will move on to the next question. Every morning Jack carried the milk to the market. The spelling of market is M-A-R-K-E-T. Okay, then the old man gave bean seeds to Jack for his cow. The spelling of seeds is S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Then third is Jack jumped on the beanstalk and climbed it to reach the sky. Jack jumped on the beanstalk. The spelling of beanstalk is B-E-A-N-S-T-A-L-K. Okay. The giant's wife gave Jack milk and cheese for breakfast. Spelling of milk is M-I-L-K, milk. Spelling of cheese is C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Okay. When the giant said lay, the hen laid a golden egg. So the spelling of golden is G-O-L-D-E-N. So now do it fast. Okay. Okay, so now turn the page, come on to page number 22. Okay, page number 22. So okay beta, now there is some pronunciation types of exercise given there. Okay, pronunciation. Okay, so pronunciation. Say these sets of words aloud. Notice how G sound is pronounced. Okay, gum. First word is gum. Gum. Okay, now this is the G. We have to figure out the sound. Gum. Now we call the word the letter G, but G sound pronounce बहुत कम होता है. ठीक है? G. The sound pronounced here is G. Gum, not jum. Okay, we will read this word as gum. Then the next word is girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Okay, here also girl is not how the word we read. Okay, this will not be read as girl. Okay, just because G is there, girl नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसे. We will read it as girl. Okay, girl. Then big. B-I-G, big. Big. Okay, again G sound is being pronounced. Okay, big. Then wag. Wag. Okay, G sound is pronounced. So with all these four words, what have we learned? हमने क्या सीखा कि yeah, G is included there, but not every time J sound is being pronounced. Okay, G आ रहा है, but J sound हर बार pronounce नहीं हो रहा है. G is also pronounced as G. Okay, G sound, sometimes it is pronounced as G sound. Okay, what sound comes sometimes? G. So you will see in some of the words, you will see the G sound coming out from the letter G. कुछ letters G letter से आपको कभी-कभी दिखेगा कि G sound pronounce हो रहा है. In some times you will see that J sound is being pronounced. Okay, G letter से आप देखेंगे कभी-कभी J sound pronounce हो रहा है. ठीक है? Now let's solve the exercise. Say these words aloud. Circle the word in each row which does not have the G sound as in girl. So I am on this exercise. Okay, please open that. Now I've read the question for you. Let me explain it to you. Say these words aloud. Okay, जितने भी words हैं अभी उस question में आने वाले, हमें उन्हें जोर से पढ़ना है. Circle the words in each row. हमें एक word को circle करना है. Now what is that word which does not have the G sound as in girl? वो वर्ड को सर्कल करना है जिसमें गर्ल में जो जी साउंड प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है, ग, जिसमें ग साउंड प्रोनाउंस नहीं हो रहा है, हमें उसे सर्कल करना है. ठीक है. सो we will do it and you will understand it in better terms. Not to worry if you have not understood the question. First, germs, G-E-R-M-S, germs. Okay. Then green. Then gate. Then go. Okay, 4 words are given to us: germ, green, gate and go. Now what the question has told us, we have to keep in mind this word girl. हमें girl word को अपने mind में रखते हुए question solve करना है. How, what type of sound is being pronounced by this G? ये G से हमें कौन सा sound pronounce हो रहा है? G, girl. Okay. So now we have to circle that word in which the G sound is not pronounced. Okay. हमें वो word को circle करना है जिसमें G sound pronounced नहीं है. Germs, J sound is being pronounced. Now pay attention over here. Okay, which sound? J sound. Germ. Then green, G sound is there. Okay. Gate, G sound is there. Then go, G sound is there. But here germs, J sound is there with this G. So that's why the book has circled it. And that is how we also have to do it. Okay. Now let's come on to the next question. Glue, giraffe, goat and crow. G-L-U-E, glue, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Goat and grow. Okay. So, glue, G. Okay, glue. What sound is there? G sound is there. Glue. So we will not circle this one. Giraffe, J sound is there. So we will circle this word because we have to circle the words in which the J sound is there. Okay. So let's circle this word giraffe because J sound is there. J sound produce हो रहा है, right? Goat, G sound is there. Goat. Okay. Then grow, G sound is there with this G. Grow. Okay, right? Are you understanding this? I hope so. You are understanding this. It is a very easy question. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन से हम प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीख रहे हैं कि एक लेटर G से 2 अलग टाइप के साउंड भी प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. ओके. सो गिफ्ट, गेट, एज एंड गो. थर्ड वन इज गिफ्ट, गेट, एज and goal. Gift, get, age and goal. Now let's see this question. Gift. Which sound is there? G sound is there. Gift. Okay, right? So इसे circle नहीं करना. We don't have to circle it. Get. Okay, G sound is there. Again, get. Now age. A-G-E, age. J sound is there. Okay, that is what we want. Age. A-G-E, age. Let's circle it. Then goal, G-O-A-L, goal. So G sound is there. So that's why we don't have to circle. Okay. Then number 4, gas, engine, grey and good. Gas, engine, grey and good. Okay, so gas, engine, grey and good. Let's see the first word. Gas. G-A-S, gas. What sound is there? G or J? Gas. G sound is there. Okay, then engine. Engine. G-I-N-E, engine. Which sound is there? J sound is there. Okay, so we will circle this. Now, grey. Which sound is there? G sound is there. Grey. Okay, then good. Which sound is there? G sound. Good. Okay, so now let's see what words we have circled. Germs, because J sound is being pronounced by this G. Then giraffe. We have circled this because J sound is there. Then age. We have circled this word because J sound is there. And engine. Okay, again J sound is there. So please do it fast. Then I'll rub it. and I want you all to do this in your book. Okay, no need to do it in the notebook. बेटा नोटबुक में fill in the blank और ये दोनों चीजें नहीं करनी है. ओके, नोटबुक में I will tell you what to do, what to not. ओके, अपने मन से don't fill up the notebook. Are you getting the point? Okay, so don't do this in notebook, and don't even do the fill in the blanks in notebook. You can learn it from the book as well. So do it in the book only. So instead of copying the things in the notebook, better learn the things. Okay, what you have to do today? You have to learn the fill in the blanks and you have to learn this exercise. Now let's come on to the next exercise on the same page, and that is of masculine and feminine nouns. और ये अच्छी बात है कि हम कर चुके हैं ग्रामर में ये जो चैप्टर है masculine and feminine nouns. So I guess it is very easy for you to do this exercise. So on the same page, page 22, match the column type exercises given there. Okay, match the columns on the same page, page 22. So here male gender words are given and here female. Okay. So first is uncle, then second son, lion, prince, rooster. Okay, and now this side, lioness, then princess, then daughter, hen and aunt. Now I just hope ki you know all these words. Like uncle, the feminine noun of uncle is aunt, right? The book has done it for us. Okay, so uncle, aunt. Similarly, son. Son, lioness, no. Son, princess, no. Son with daughter, right? Beta and beti. Son with daughter. Match the word son with daughter. Then lion, lioness. Okay, don't forget ki lion masculine. With this masculine word, when we add ESS, it becomes feminine. Okay, masculine word में जब हम ESS add करते हैं तो it becomes feminine and it is very easy to understand. Lion, lioness. Okay, then prince, princess. Okay, then rooster, hen. Okay, rooster, hen. What is the masculine noun of hen? Rooster. Okay, जो मुर्गा होता है. Okay, so rooster and hen. Please do it fast. Small exercises are these, so it should not take much time of ours. Okay, again I am telling you, uncle with aunt, son with daughter, lion with lioness, prince with princess and rooster with hen. Homework is to learn this thing also and do it in the book itself. No need to do it in the notebook. Okay, do it in the book only. So please learn this also and as in today's homework. Hope so it is done. If not, then take a screenshot. Okay. And I guess ये तो इतनी easy चीज है कि you should have done it on your own. And I know most of you have done it on your own. Acha, now on the next page, page 23, you can see there is a pronoun exercise given there. But for that, we need to understand pronouns in deep detail. Okay, to solve this exercise given on page 23. पेज 23 पर जो एक्सरसाइज दी है उसे सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम प्रोनाउन समझेंगे. ओके, और वो हम करेंगे ग्रामर पोर्शन में. ठीक है, whenever we will study pronoun in grammar, after that we will come on to this chapter again और हम उस वक्त ये एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. तो अभी के लिए आप ये प्रोनाउन वाली एक्सरसाइज को छोड़ दीजिए. ओके, सो पेज 23 वी विल डू लेटर ऑन, बाद में करेंगे. सिमिलरली पेज 24 प्रोनाउन एक्सरसाइज इज गिवन, तो दैट आल्सो वी विल डू लेटर ऑन, इसे भी हम बाद में करेंगे. ओके, कब करेंगे? जब हम प्रोनाउन समझ लेंगे फैंसी बुक से. ओके, आई होप आई एम क्लियर टू यू. नाउ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वी हैव टू डू. नाउ प्लीज कम ऑन टू पेज नंबर 24. Page 24. What is given there? Punctuation. Okay. Punctuation. This is the term that we have understood in detail when we were studying sentences. When we were studying sentences, it is second chapter of our fancy book. Okay, our English grammar book. So punctuations. Let's revise it once again. Okay, punctuation. When we write a sentence, we begin with a capital letter, usually end with a full stop. Okay, so जब भी हम sentence लिखते हैं, how we begin a sentence? कैसे start करते हैं? We begin a sentence by writing capital letter. This तो you know, अब तक तो बिल्कुल एकदम माइंड में फिट हो गया होगा कि कभी भी कोई भी सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट वर्ड हम कैपिटल लेटर में लिखते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी इज अ गुड गर्ल. ओके, तो हियर सी आई हैव स्टार्टेड दिस सेंटेंस विद अ स्मॉल लेटर. तो इज इट राइट? इज इट राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ऑफ पंक्चुएशन? क्या ये सही है पंक्चुएशंस के रूल के अकॉर्डिंग? नहीं. ओके, आई शुड हैव रिटन इट इन capital. So this S is capital. Always the first letter is always capital. Okay, so this is the first rule, and the second rule is covered in this sentence itself. What is the second rule? Sentence should end with a full stop. Full stop. Okay, what is the second rule? Sentence जो है full stop पे end होता है, या फिर see 4 types of sentences we have studied. So the sentence can either end with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark, right? Okay, तो full stop से end होता है most probably, then question mark and exclamation marks are also there, and you are like masters in putting question mark and exclamation mark. We have understood that thing in deep detail. Okay, so these are the 2 rules. Then next rules are there. I is always used in capital letters. I is always used in capital letters. Okay, I, this letter I. Okay, this is not a letter now. This is a word I. जब भी I किसी सेंटेंस में आता है, स्टार्टिंग में, बिगिनिंग में, या फिर आई कहीं बीच में भी हो, वी विल राइट आई ऑलवेज इन कैपिटल. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ आई इज रॉन्ग व्हेनेवर आई इज अलोन. जब भी आई को हम अकेले लिखते हैं, अलोन लिखते हैं, तो ये आई होता है आई वर्ड, ना कि ये आई लेटर. ओके, सो आई वर्ड, दिस आई इज ऑलवेज रिटन इन कैपिटल. ओके, दिस इज द सेकेंड रूल. थर्ड वन, व्हाट इज द थर्ड रूल? प्रॉपर नाउन ऑलवेज बिगिन विद कैपिटल लेटर. You also know this. That's why मैंने आपको ग्रामर पहले पढ़ा दिया, so that ये जो small things है, this will become clear to you in easy terms. Then third rule is proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Okay. Now what are the proper nouns? Like Diya. Okay, for as per the examples given in your book, Diya, it is the name of a girl. Okay, ये एक लड़की का नाम है. So this this a proper noun? Obviously it is. So this D, the first letter of the word, will always be capital. Then India, our country, or any country's name will always start with a capital letter. Okay. Third example is Bruno. Let's say it is the name of a dog. Okay, Bruno. Let's say it is the name of a dog. So the name of a dog. Dog word is a common noun, but a particular specific name that we have given to that dog, that is Bruno. So Bruno word हो गया proper noun. So this will always begin with capital letter. Then Rajdhani Express. Okay. Okay, it is the name of a train, Rajdhani Express. Okay, so like train word is common noun because there are so many trains in the world. But this Rajdhani Express, it is the name of a particular specific train. So that's why this Rajdhani Express, R is capital here and E is capital here. Why? Because it is a proper noun. Okay. Then the next rule is name of festivals begin with a capital letter. Any festival, Deepavali, Holi, Christmas, Eid. Okay. So name of festivals. Names of festivals. So any festival, Deepavali, Holi, etc. Okay. The name of month, days, week begin with a capital. Okay. Name of festival, days, months. Okay. So ये सब हमें कैपिटल में लिखना है जब भी कोई ये चीजें सेंटेंस के बीच में आती है. ओके. Now let's revise it one more time. Capital letter. A sentence should always begin with a capital letter. ठीक है? Then full stop. It will end with a full stop if it is an assertive sentence. Then I is always used in capital letters. I is always used in capital letters. Then proper noun always begin with capital. Okay, proper noun, whether the names of the specific things like Diya, the name of a girl, India, the name of country, Bruno, name of a dog, and Rajdhani Express, name of a train. Then the names of festivals, days and months like Diwali, Holi, then days, Sunday, Monday, then months, January, February, etc. They will always begin with a capital letter. Now let's solve the exercise. There is a very easy and small exercise given to you. Let's solve it. Come on to page number 25. Okay. Rewrite with correct punctuation. One has been done for you. अभी जो sentence दिए हैं हमें उन्हें correct punctuation में लिखना है. Using all those rules that we have just studied. Okay. So question is rewrite with correct punctuations. Rewrite means what? फिर से लिखना है. फिर से अब किस तरह लिखना है? Punctuations को correct करो. Okay. Rewrite with correct punctuations. First sentence. Nana likes to read books. Okay, now see, so many punctuation mistakes are there. This first letter is not capital, there is no full stop at the end. So we will rewrite it after correcting the punctuation. So what we need to do for this? The line given below to you, आपके book में वैसे it is already solved. What has done here? Nana. This name Nana, it is the name of a girl, right? So it will come in capital. First letter N will come in capital. Plus this Nana, this word is the beginning word of a sentence. Okay, it is the beginning word of this sentence. तो वो वैसे ही capital में आएगा. Okay, so N of this Nana will be in capital. Nana likes to read books. Okay, now a full stop at the end. So it was already done in your book. Let's see the second sentence. My father is going to Paris. M is small here, pay attention. My father going to Paris. मेरे जो फादर हैं वो पेरिस जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस. लेट्स करेक्ट द पंक्चुएशन. What we do in the punctuation first? We see the first letter of the sentence. It is capital or not. Here the first letter of the sentence is small. We will first make it capital. So M capital, M by my. Father. It is not a proper noun. So we will write it as it is. Father is going to now Paris. Wait, stop here. Paris, it is not a proper noun. It is a common noun. It is the name of a city. Paris, France में एक city है, तो name of a city will come in capital, right? The first letter will come in capital. So make the P of this Paris capital, and then a full stop at the end. Okay, because it is an assertive sentence. Then number 3, Arun will come home on Saturday. A-R-U-N. Arun will come home on Saturday. Okay. Now see here. Arun. It is the name of a boy plus it is the beginning word of a sentence. ये एक boy का name तो है ही, पर ये sentence का starting भी हो रहा है ना इस word से, तो we will make this A capital. So let's make this A of Arun capital. A capital R-U-N. Arun. Okay. Will as it is, come as it is, home as it is, because इनमें से कोई भी proper noun नहीं है. Okay. On Saturday. Now Saturday is a proper noun. Why? Because it is the name of a day, right? Name of days, months, all are proper noun. It always come in capital letters. The first letter capital. Okay, so Saturday. Make this S capital. S A T U R D A Y and a full stop at the end. Full stop अगर आपने नहीं लगाया तो एग्जाम में आपके मार्क्स कट हो सकते हैं. Okay, because full stop is a very necessary thing, a very necessary punctuation mark. So please do it fast. Okay. Now write it fast. I guess the first one was done in book, so I can rub this. Fourth one is my name is Divya. My name is Divya. मेरा name दिव्या है. ठीक है. Now first word, first letter capital, M capital of my name as it is. Now Divya. Divya is the name of a girl. Divya एक लड़की का नाम है. तो this is a proper noun. Yes. So this D of Divya will be capital. So let's make the D capital. D-I-V-Y-A. Divya. And the full stop at the end. Okay. Sentence number 5, the last sentence. I hope so it is done. My father is going to Paris. Sentence वैसा ही है, सिर्फ M capital करना है और P capital करना है and the full stop at the end. So I guess it is done. If not, you can go back to the lecture. Then Santa brings gifts on Christmas. Okay, so what do we check first? The first letter is capital or not? First letter is not capital, it is small. तो पहले हम first letter को capital बनाएंगे. S of Santa, capital S-A-N-T-A, Santa. Brings, it is not a proper noun. Okay, it is a verb. So let's write it as it is. B-R-I-N-G-S, brings. Then gifts as it is. On Christmas. Now I had told you कि the festival names come in capital letter, right? तो Christmas, write the first letter C, capital. Why? Because it is the rules of punctuation that proper noun come in capital letter. The first letter capital. Okay, CHRISTMAS and a full stop at there. Santa brings gifts on Christmas. Santa Christmas पर gifts लेकर आते हैं. ठीक है? So then full stop at that and this exercise is over. From the next lecture onwards, we will be doing the things in the notebook. We will start chapter 3 in the notebook. So please make your notebook ready with you. Okay? Now I am giving you a minute time to note this down. And just pay attention on the full stop and the capital letters. Okay? This is all we have to do in this exercise. Very easy exercise. सिर्फ full stop और capital letters का ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है? Okay, now you can take a screenshot. I am aside. So, well, this is it for today. We have solved the full exercise of chapter 3. We have left the pronoun exercise because we will do it later on when we will understand the pronoun chapter. So, till then, just learn all these things that we have covered today and we will meet in the next lecture, same time, same place, same channel, along with the same book in our hand. So, bye-bye. Take care.